Australian breakdancer Rachel Gunn faced online backlash after losing Olympic battle 18-0. Despite having a PhD in breakdancing, her unique style was mocked. She is now asking for privacy due to trolling's devastating impact. WHO declares Mpox outbreak in Africa a global health emergency due to rapid spread of deadlier strain with high risk of international spread. YouTube CEO Susan Wojcicki is alive despite false death reports. She has battled non small cell lung cancer and has 5 children. Her net worth is over $500 million. She's never been a smoker. CAS upload decision. Romania Ana Barbosa is rightful bronze medalist in floor exercise. Not USA's Jordan Chiles due to missed deadline to challenge score. Five individuals, including Matthew Perry's assistant and two doctors, charged in connection with his ketamine overdose death, alleging a criminal network enabling his addiction. Sky Jackson, a former Disney Channel star, was arrested at Universal Studios yesterday. Although details about the circumstances and charges are not yet available.